My name is Sunny Sun. This is my presentation of the Literature Review Paper 1, Phishing Countermeasures and Their Effectiveness. The paper I will review is Phishing Countermeasures and Their Effectiveness, Literature Review, which examines phishing attacks, prevention methods, and their effectiveness. The study focuses on research from 1997 to 2012, a period when phishing became a major threat to end users and businesses. It analyzes 16 doctoral theses and 358 research papers to explore the evolution of phishing research and countermeasures. The central research problem is the ongoing vulnerability of Internet users to sophisticated phishing attacks, highlighting the gap between existing anti-phishing measures and their actual effectiveness in protecting users. The review aims to address several key research questions, such as how has phishing research evolved? What are the different types of phishing attacks? What anti-phishing countermeasures exist and how effective are they? And what are the limitations of current phishing detection strategies? This review paper uses a three-step approach: keyword search, backward search, and forward search. Let me explain one by one. The author uses a structured, systematic keyword search across multiple digital libraries and doctoral theses for broad coverage. The study used keywords like phishing to search for relevant theses and research papers. The ProQuest library was used for doctoral dissertations, and leading journals and international conference papers were selected from digital libraries such as ACM. The initial screening focused on article titles, and papers with phishing in the title were chosen for abstract reading. After the initial keyword search and abstract screening, the author uses a backward search. This includes looking at the references in selected articles to find earlier work in the same field and following those references for a deeper study. Backward searches were also conducted to find previous work by the same author in the same field. A forward search means looking for articles that mention a specific paper to find follow-up studies. In other words, forward search is about discovering newer developments and follow-up work. It helps gain insights into how the research area has progressed since those original papers were published. These three steps were repeated. This process resulted in 16 dissertations and 358 research papers for the review. Some main points and contributions include, but are not limited to: most countermeasures are preventive but often bypassed. User education is crucial to prevent phishing. Identified 8 key countermeasure categories. Highlighted research gaps in anti-phishing effectiveness, such as evaluating the effectiveness of existing countermeasures against new phishing attacks, and understanding the factors influencing users' ability to recognize phishing websites. This review article provides a strong example of the SLR. The author employed a 3-step method to identify relevant literature systematically. This explicit and systematic method aimed to minimize bias in the selection of literature to answer specific research questions regarding the evolution of phishing research, current trends, research gaps, and the reasons for the limited success of existing countermeasures. I have learned several key lessons from this review, A structured keyword search across multiple digital libraries and doctoral theses ensures broad coverage. Using a multi-step approach, keyword, backward, and forward searches, though challenges to do so, helps expand and deepen the analysis. Prioritizing peer-reviewed sources from top journals and conferences enhances credibility. Finally, examining numerous studies reveals key trends and gaps in phishing research, providing valuable insights for future studies. The structured and systematic approach of the SLR methodology is valuable for studying other cybersecurity threats beyond phishing. By applying the same rigorous steps, keyword searches, backward and forward searches, researchers can analyze areas like malware, denial of service attacks, and social engineering. This method helps uncover key trends, identify research gaps, and contribute to developing more effective preventive and defensive cybersecurity measures. Here are some takeaways from the review paper. 1. Phishing attacks remain a major cybersecurity concern. 2. Current countermeasures have limitations and require user awareness. 3rd, systematic literature reviews provide valuable insights into research trends. 4. Further research is needed to strengthen phishing prevention strategies. Here is the reference list. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy it.